What's up guys? Today I have a headset unboxing for you, which is the MARQUE M155 from Plantronics. It's designed for iPhone. This is the box. It says talk while you tap, type and swipe, stream tunes, podcasts and more. And it has 2-in-1 charging cable. So don't text and drive. It's up to 5 hours of talking time, 9 days of standby, and 10 meters of range, and it's only 7 grams. It's available on the App Store. Let's look at the specifications. Bluetooth version 3, DSP for enhanced audio and multi-point technology, and the contents of the box. The Bluetooth headset, a combination of USB and micro USB charger, silicone ear tips, small, medium and large, and clip-on earlobe. User instructions. It has a 2 years warranty from Plantronics. I got this headset from the duty free in the airport for $59 as you can see here, but I have seen it on the in the Apple Store and it was about $95, so it was really a good deal what I got here. They have as well a free application in the App Store and it's called My Headset. I will be reviewing this headset later and I will show you what it can do. So let's get to the unboxing now. This headset is available in black or white. So I got the white because it matches with my iPhone. So this button is sort of like the home button of the iPhone, as you can see. See, it's really very well attached to this plastic. It's kind of hard to get it out of it. And finally, so you see how small it is. It's really small, and it's very lightweight. This is the on-off switch button, the USB charging port. I guess this is the medium size ear tip. It's gel, and I'm guessing this is maybe the volume button, I'm not sure about that. And this is the call, answering and end button. Let's look at the box now. So this is an information package. Get started. And some kind of other information. So this is the USB cable for charging. So you get the point what they mean by 2-in-1. You can plug in your other USB from your iPhone to charge your iPhone at the same time while you charge your headset. And this is the micro USB for the headsets. It's kind of like iPhone design. It's a very good quality. And this is the other ear gels. This is the large and the small. And I guess I'm gonna leave the medium ones. This is the earlobe if you wanna attach it. So as I said, this kind of home button of the iPhone, it's for taking a call and rejecting a call, or redialing, or initiate phone voice dialing, reconnect lost connection, and activate pairing mode after initial setup. This one is for powering, switching on or off, and this one is for the charging. And this is, like I said, it's for the volume or mute button. And you have an indicator light here. So this is what you get in the box, guys. I will be reviewing it a little bit later. Please stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And thank you for watching.